Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have this like random burst of energy, probably because it's almost midnight and I'm so tired. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? I don't know. Anyways, today's video is going to be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So I figured that I would do this video with you guys just because it was kind of a get ready with me, and I figured why not? I had the opportunity to film, so I might as well take the advantage of it, right? So we're going to start off by using a tape. The tape is just going to give us those nice crisp lines, and sometimes I do find that that helps me, especially if I'm doing some sort of a smoky eye. I can kind of see where exactly I need to be placing the eyeshadows because when I was younger, I got hit on one side of my eye, so that's why one side of my bone in my eye is kind of like deeper than the other. So just a little fun fact for you guys. But we're going to start off using this orange tone shadow, and we're going to start packing it right on the outer corner. We're definitely going to do some sort of a smoky eye look today. You guys know me, it's my jam, it's what I like. So we're really going to build up that color. The intensity on these shadows are pretty intense, so it did not take a lot of effort to get these colors to build up. Then I'm going to go in with the chocolate brown color. This is a very warm tone palette, so if you like warm tones, this is definitely going to be your jam. It's definitely going to be a palette that you're going to want to get your hands on. If you guys have had the first Huda Beauty palette, then you are definitely going to like this palette. We're just going to take a little bit of concealer because we're going to really cut the crease, and I'm definitely going to go in with one of the metallic shadows in the palette and going to put that on the inner corner. So I'm going to show you guys what exactly is going on here. I'm putting on this shadow right over the concealer, and I've never had issues with any other shadow, but as you guys can see, you guys will start to see, I'm going to try to blend those two colors in, and I'm starting to get a little splotchiness going on there, you guys, and I wasn't excited about it. I'm trying to build up the color, trying to really you know, pack on that metallic shadow, kind of trying to hide that, and I was like, this is not working. So I decided just to go in with a deeper shimmer shadow in the palette and kind of just do it all the way over and then add dimension on the outer corner. I was really trying to work with it. I don't know what had happened there because since then I've tried playing around with the shadows again and I haven't had any issues, so I don't know. But as you guys can see, my footage somehow dropped and my foundation routine and my eyeliner was completely gone. But as you guys can see, I did an intense winged liner, like the inner corner eyeliner and everything, because I feel like when you're using a Huda Beauty palette, you definitely need to have that like intensity going on there. So I feel like that just took it to the next level. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to contour. I'm using this MAC contour brush. I don't know exactly what it's called, but lately I've been really in love with it. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to know, but it's like really big. It reminds me of like a big fan brush, but it is tapered. I don't know, it's really good. And then for blush, I'm going to go in with the Gorgeous Cosmetics palette. I'm going to finish off the lips with the Huda Beauty lip liner in Cheerleader, and I'm just going to overline my lips slightly. And then on top of that, I decided that I would go in with a Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. Her liquid lipsticks are one of my favorite formulas. They are amazing to wear, and especially if you guys have small lips like me or you don't like that feeling of it being really dry, this formula is nothing like that. So if you guys are interested in those liquid lipsticks, I always recommend them to my girlfriends. We're just going to clean everything up, and then we're going to add a little bit of High Drama by MAC on the outer corners. I wanted to kind of do a faded in effect because I was like, yeah, that's not enough. So we're just going to do that, and then I'm just going to take a brush and kind of fade that out. Then I'm just going to finish off right in the center, and I'm going to add just a little bit of plumping gloss just to make my lips look more pouty on the inner corner. And then to finish off this look, we're going to use a Heatwave by Estee Lauder for highlight. So this is a pretty quick video, nothing too dramatic or anything, but I figured that I was doing a getting ready with me, and I figured I would share it with you guys. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe before you guys head out. I love you guys, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Goodbye.